So the Supreme Court upheld the ban on TikTok today, basically resting their laurels on the data security issue. In other words, the allegation that China could get access to Americans' data and then use it for nefarious purposes. Which is interesting because during the oral arguments, the plaintiffs mentioned a few times that the data was held on servers in Virginia managed by Oracle. Oracle being a legacy tech company that is a longtime defense contractor, which couldn't do business with any of the agencies it does do business with, which is all of them, including the intelligence agencies, if there were any sort of security threats, like China getting access to data. So I thought that got through to the justices because during the oral arguments, they didn't really touch the data security issue so much. And even Elaine Kagan said that the data security issue wasn't the issue in this case. So I'm not sure exactly what she meant by that, but it seems like she understood that this data is secured. In fact, I would even say that the NSA or one of maybe multiple intelligence agencies probably had a direct pipeline into those servers and were watching every bit of information that goes on and off of those servers specifically because of the security alleged, the possible security threat. And what's very interesting about that is in the decision, which I read, that fact that the data was held by Oracle, which is a longtime defense contractor, that was not mentioned in the decision at all. Very conspicuous thing to leave out. You would think that if they were going to use that argument as their means of upholding the law, they would at least mention that important fact that was mentioned several times during the oral arguments and was a key central tenet of the plaintiff's case, arguing for there not being a data security issue. So I think that the Supreme Court just wanted to get this case out of their hair. They didn't want to deal with strict scrutiny. They wanted to call this content neutral, and they rested on the data security issue. Bad decision. It will go down as a bad decision. And this isn't the end of this, because once the government gets away with this once, they're going to try it again and again and again until maybe a generation from now, another Supreme Court is going to have to step in. So bad decision, embarrassing decision, boomers win, youth lose. Once again, I'm out.